morning, everybody. Crypto Strang here. Following from previous videos, we talked about these layer one blockchains, new ones coming out. There's a real fascinating one coming out called SUI on their website, SUI.io. Build tomorrow's financial systems today. They're building this layer one blockchain. Now, they're doing a lot of big statements. Now, again, at the moment, it's just purely in development with the testnet stage. I don't even know when their coin is basically coming out. I'm waiting for the ICO details. I believe they are doing the ICO, so that'd be great opportunity, not financial advice. As I always say, do your own research, but me personally, I'll certainly get involved with the ICO. If they're stating what they're actually stating to be true and their potential here, we have huge chance here of this really being a high quality layer one smart blockchain ecosystem. It's different about, they also basically state, don't they, they're the fastest, they're the most secure, the scalable, etc. But this one's actually different. I was reading really in depth into their white paper. If you lose your keys, you basically can be able to link it with your email, so you'll be able to reset it, which is probably a real game changer. And I think absolutely fascinating to do that. You know, obviously you want the 100% security, complete decentralization, but the fact they allow you, if you lose your keys, it's not the end of the world. You know, makes you really reassuring. As I've always said, that's the only trouble with holding your crypto on a private wallet, cold storage wallet, is if you lose your keys or lose your Trezor or Ledger or anything like that, you're basically screwed. You really are, and it's really to say, the massive game changer for me, the fact you can reset that and get access to it. They even talk about you'll be able to transfer assets by use of an email, an SMS, DMs, etc. So they really are expanding where we expect with the layer one blockchain. So you can see on this screen, obviously, it's just in development, so there's not as much information sometimes as you'd like, for instance, like a roadmap, stuff like that. But I think over time we're going to get a lot more information coming out. So it says that why SUI? SUI is the first permissionless layer one blockchain designed from the ground up to enable creators and developers to build experiences that cater to the next billion users in Web3. Financial assets unlocked. Also in this section up here under ecosystem, also got gaming as well. They talk about there about the NFTs and helping gamers, etc. But this bit on here is really good for me. Designed for real people. Your assets live directly in your account, not in someone else's smart contract. Human readable signing requests. Know exactly what you're giving permission for. Easy on board. You send an asset now, create an account later. That's coming soon, but the near zero fees. Now, obviously, that's always a big statement with any layer one blockchain where they say basically the fees are zero. That's obviously what everyone strives for. But there's a lot of information. Now, I must admit, some of their word on their website, you know, for instance, got fast as FCK, you know what I mean? Serious horizontally scalable throughput and storage, increasing capacity of application scale. As far as using sort of terms like that, but however, simple, safe, and secure smart contract powered by Move. Move is easy to use and safe by construction, reducing the need for error. Now, that's what they build the smart contracts on. I'll show you the document in a minute. But I say, when you go scroll down here, follow them on Twitter. Also got Medium. Don't have multiple social media outlets at the moment, but I sort of follow them on Twitter, and you can see here they've done an AMA this week. It's always great to see we actually meet the team. They talk about the gaming business development partnerships lead. Okay, now this is actually next one is actually going to be August the 18th. Okay, so again, that's great to see they're actually engaging with the community. So when it looks at the team as well, obviously that's really important. We will speak about the team, genuine people with their LinkedIn profiles. You've got people here I've checked out and they've got massive experience. This is a really experienced team. And you can see there, it's a real solid team. You also got there some more people in the team. I'll go for that now. But the other bit I really liked was the backers, our investors. Coinbase Ventures, okay? Samson Next. Okay, and they've also got like Standard Crypto I've read about before and Redpoint. Okay, and I like the fact the latest news I say on their Medium and their Twitter's very good. But this is, again, when you talk about the smart contracts with SUI Move. Welcome to the SUI tutorial for building smart contracts with the Move language. The tutorial provides a brief explanation of the Move language, includes concrete examples to demonstrate how Move can be used in SUI. So I say at the moment we're just in development, but I can see as they get going with this, this has got huge potential. So I'm super excited when they actually bring out the ICO, can get my first SUI. I think, you know, I'm not saying it's going to be the next Solana or Avalanche or anything like that, but you can see here with the potential. Now, again, it's not financial advice, but me personally getting on these early, you know, in development layer one blockchains is really important to me. Now, they're not all going to succeed, obviously, you know, but this team seems to be very proactive in developing, getting the partnerships, getting the investments. You can see there the investors they've got. So it's got a lot of potential here, and that's what I want. You know, get yourself a real decent bag, and who knows where this will be in 1, 2, 3 years' time, okay, if they keep developing. You know, I just think it's got a lot of potential there. So on their Medium page, I did like the fact here you can download the SUI wallet obviously do a Chrome extension I've showed before with, like, I don't know, Icon, my wallet, etc. So the fact you can get a wallet already is a good, but obviously we want to get the SUI coin as soon as possible. Now, that's all SUI coin is. SUI's native asset is called SUI, and we generally use a capitalized version of SUI to distinguish the token from the SUI platform. The total supply of SUI is capped at 10 billion. The share of SUI's total supply will be liquid at mainnet launch, with the remaining token vesting over coming years or distributed future stake reward subsidies. The fact that they do staking again is great. Each SUI token is divided up to a large number of decimal places. The SUI token serves 4 purposes on the SUI platform. It can be staked. Is the asset domination needed for paying the gas fees required to execute and store transactions? SUI can be used as the first time a liquid asset for various applications, including a standard feature of the money. SUI token plays an important role in governance by acting as a right to participate in on-chain voting, again making it decentralised. So I like the fact that this is real solid. 10 billion supply. I say the ICO price will be absolutely fascinating to me. I can't wait to see what that's going to be. Again, on their Medium, they talk about, recently, back in early, basically July, they're talking about doing the incentivized testing. It's in development at the moment. They're going through it at the moment. So I'm hoping we'll get some real solid news soon. Obviously, I'll follow them on Twitter, MYSTEN Labs, the people behind SUI. So I'm hoping to get some real solid information. Okay. Now, I think over time, we're going to see a lot more people talking about SUI. There's not much out there at the moment. I was lucky to actually find this on the Medium. I've literally just found them the last few days. I'm going to start following Medium, interact with them, interact with the team, message the teams. If you haven't get a response, I appreciate they're extremely busy. They might not have time to respond. But I think it's really important to see their concept, to see their vision, to see the roadmap as well. I think that'd be absolutely fascinating. So thanks very much. Certainly another exciting layer 1 blockchain. Huge potential here, I believe. So anyone, any help whatsoever, email me, info@cryptostrain.com, or my social media links below. Don't hesitate to reach out. It'd be great to hear from you. So thanks very much. Have a wonderful day. We'll chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.